How y'all doing? Hope you're doing great. You're doing pretty good. I just got done with a Like Me. Go watch the last video if you haven't. It was a pretty good time. Got to see Jimmy and meet some new people. See some dope bikes. Got some new gloves for when it's a little bit warmer out. And yeah. I was checking out some of the other gear at the store as well. They have some pretty nice leather gloves that I was looking at. I think when it comes to the next season, I'm gonna probably come down to this place again, and or maybe check out a new spot, because the selection compared to Motor City Power Sports or Motorsports, whatever the fuck it's called, is like crazy. It's the difference is immense. Like, there's so many options. It's kind of like option overload, to be honest. I haven't been out here in a long time. My work is like a mile away. That's wild. Damn, he's coming down here every day. So yeah, I was gonna end up going home the back road way, and I ended up saying fuck that. I guess we're just gonna end up taking Telegraph. I think I want this lane. I do want this lane. Trying to just figure it out as I go here. They shut down the 2-lane, that's why. They gotta make that clear. But yeah, dude, we're just out here, we're out here vibing. Wanted to make another video while I was out today. Kinda just enjoy the time that I have and fucking get some content. Not necessarily even content. Most of my videos I wouldn't quote as your normal form of content. Like, I'm an average normal human being. I'm not out here for the memes. I am out here for the memes, but I'm not out here like, I don't know, I feel like today's age of people and younger kids and older people in general now, like the attention span is just fucked. TikTok and all of those other things, YouTube Shorts and Twitter, and the ease of access to everything, and you can watch whatever the fuck show you want to watch with Netflix and streaming, and it's not like we have TV where you have to wait for the program to be on. Everything is just so easily accessible that I think it's like very detrimental to the society in total. But I think that's the struggle, is like my type of content is longer form and more, I would say direct or indirect, but I guess it's a mixture of both, direct and indirect, because the memes can be quite direct as well. But I don't know. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I feel like that affects my view ratings. It affects a lot of that stuff because I'm not a fucking cheesy goofy goober, you know? I mean, I am, don't get me wrong, I definitely fucking am, but I don't know, like, are we acting 24/7 now? Is that what we gotta do? We gotta put on a fucking false facade because we're so autistic that we can't, I don't know, like, is that really your authentic self? Like, if that's your authentic self, you're kind of retarded. There's a lot, I can't quote who I'm specifically talking about, but a lot of these people and like cringe ass fucking streamers that IRL stream, I don't know, this shit just bothers me. What happened to being a normal fucking human, you know? Like, why? Everything is for views and quote unquote content, and to me, I'm not here for that. I'm here, that's not the form of content or video making that I would like to be making, which I don't necessarily make. That doesn't mean that I'm gonna limit myself and not do any sort of meme shit and make like semi meme videos, but why do we have to do those things to re-engage? I don't know, fucking, just the frustration. Everybody is so just fast-paced, and I don't know. I get it. I don't have time either, but there are a certain few people that if they got a 20-minute video, I'm gonna watch it. There's probably like 15-20 of those motherfuckers, maybe more than that. Like I do that. I do that a lot. I consume a lot of long form content. So for me, I'm kind of creating the content that I would enjoy to see. So yeah, that's my spiel on myself as a creator and my quote-unquote content. It's kind of basic, it's kind of chill, but you know, it's good. This to me is like the slowdown, right? Let's just slow down a little bit. Let's just get on the bike. Sometimes we like to go fast, but averagely we kind of just putz around and chill. Talk about life and things happening in life. True vlog status. Never ending change of scenery as we move, you know. I hate this road, but what are we gonna do about it? I used to sit in traffic through here all the time, every day of my fucking life. Hours upon hours upon hours. It's nightmare fuel coming through here. Yeah, basically that whole spiel is to say that I'm gonna start putting out short form videos on YouTube. I've already been doing that, but I think I'm gonna start doing more. And some of it might be memey, but the majority of it is gonna be sticking to this type of content, clips from my past videos, polls, things of that nature. So yeah, I know they get kind of annoying, but I don't know, I guess it's the way to grow. Every time I post a short, I get like 5 new subscribers. So the goal is to get 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I am going to force myself to do that no matter how hard it is. I'm gonna get it to happen, baby. So yeah, that's what I've been working on. I've been editing out a lot of short videos. I've got like 20 of them lined up. There's gonna be, you know, the pre-recorded ones, and then I'm also gonna be doing live ones to an extent where it's whatever's happening in my day. But to keep the consistency, we're probably gonna regurgitate footage that has already been seen. So I'm sorry in advance to those that don't want to see it, and I hope you understand that it's just this is the way of the YouTube and how to grow. I could possibly do better with thumbnails as well, but thumbnails only go a certain fucking way, man. To me, I don't like clickbaity thumbnails, so I don't make thumbnails. I can't, I get the appeal, and I get that it would probably help me, but it feels icky. It feels gross. It feels fucking slimy. Clickbaity titles and stuff. I try to do it to an extent, but I feel like I draw the line at a certain point for sure. Shit. Alright, well, I don't really got much else to say. And you know, we're just on a straight road cruising. I just wanted to make a little video to talk about that and the future of the channel. More BMX, more cars, and I'd expect probably more BMX and action sport videos this year on top of everything that you've normally been viewing. Maybe some more music. I'm not really positive. Look at that Porsche, oh my god. I've been working on stuff in the sidelines. It's been 2 years since I released a song, and I don't know, I don't necessarily want to, I don't know what I want to make. I can't figure out what I want to make music-wise, so I've just not been making music. And maybe we'll see some of that flooded into the channel here and there, but again, you're going to see a lot more shorts, you're going to see a lot more BMX, you're going to see a lot more scootering and motorcycles for sure with the summer coming in, and, you know, cars and mini motors as we grab parts. So I know people say do it, don't talk about it, but I like to have a little bit of transparency and try to do I try to do a start of the year video normally, but seeing as we ride motorcycles, this is kind of like the start to our moto vlogging year. So that's what to expect in the next year. And yeah, I hope you guys stick around for the ride. I really do appreciate everybody. And I'll see you in the next one. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Peace.